In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden chats in Microsoft Teams easily. Microsoft Teams can be a bit overwhelming with its multitude of features, and sometimes important messages or chats get hidden from view. But don't worry, retrieving these chats is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, you'll want to make sure you're signed into Microsoft Teams. If you haven't already done so, open your Teams app and enter your login credentials. This step is crucial as you need to be inside your account to access your chat history. Once you're in, take a look at the top of your screen where you'll see the search bar prominently displayed. This search functionality is your best friend when it comes to tracking down elusive chats that have been hidden. So, what you need to do next is type the name of the person whose chat you believe is hidden in this search bar. Microsoft Teams will quickly begin to display relevant matches as you type, making it easier for you to identify the correct conversation. A handy tip here is to ensure you're spelling the name correctly or trying various search parameters if you're unsure. Once you've spotted your hidden chat from the search results, simply click on it. This will take you directly to the conversation within the Teams app. By doing so, the hidden chat is now temporarily visible and you can browse the messages as needed. However, if you'd like to make this chat visible permanently, follow along with the next steps. You'll notice when you have the chat open, there are three little dots typically referred to as More Options, located next to the chat's name or title. Go ahead and click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. It's always good to be aware of these additional options as they help in managing your chats more effectively. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labelled Unhide. By selecting Unhide, you'll be making this chat permanently visible in your chat list. This ensures that moving forward, you won't have to repeat this search process every time you want to revisit the conversation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of uncovering hidden chats in Microsoft Teams. This straightforward method not only helps in organizing your conversations, but also ensures that important dialogues are always at your fingertips. So the next time you lose track of a chat, remember these simple steps and quickly retrieve it using this method. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now more confident in managing your chats in Microsoft Teams. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tech tips and tricks.